Mm-hmm. I'm Melinda Smith, and this is my daughter Madison, and she was diagnosed with asthma at age 4. She would cough every night and be sick, and she couldn't participate in daily activities, and so I took her to the doctor, and they prescribed her medicine that she had to take every day, and it cost $120 a month for that medication, but it wasn't doing any good. And so I brought her into the chiropractor, and he gave her 3 adjustments maybe, and I've gradually got her off of Singulair, and she never has had any problems since, and she's been asthma free for probably 3 years.